Hey guys, this is Andy and you are watching Paradox. This video is all about my upcoming series, which is about basics of computer. All the links are provided in the description. The topics which we are going to cover in this series are as follow. First of all, we will see introduction of computers, then history of computers, hardware part of the computer and the software part of the computer. Every questions like what is computer, what is mean by computer, and every single thing you should know about computer will be clear over here. Hope you will enjoy it. This is Andy from Paradox signing off.